Welcome everyone to UTA Planetarium's Weekly Night Sky. My name is Jim Bader, and this week we're going to be talking about Hercules and the Northern Crown. Of all the named constellations, the one with the most iconic mythology is easily argued to be Hercules. Known for unparalleled strength and the 12 labors, Hercules may have an unmistakable story, but the constellation is a little on the mistakable side. Hercules is made up of several dim stars that seem to be scattered about. One structure that is a little more recognizable is known as the keystone. Often seen as the abdomen of the figure, the four stars reference Hercules' strength and the strength of a keystone. Keystones are essential in arches and domes for bearing weight, hence the strength. Despite the dim stars and scattered nature, it isn't too tough to imagine a bit of a figure here in the sky with a little help. Trying to find Hercules is not the easiest, but we can give you some tips to locate this challenging constellation to find. This time of the year, the best way to locate it is by looking for the bright star Vega. Vega is in the constellation of Lyra the Harp and should be about halfway between the horizon and the zenith tonight. Looking east towards Vega and then heading up and to the right should bring you to that keystone in Hercules. Another way of finding Hercules is by using Vega and the bright star Arcturus, as Hercules sits about halfway between the two stars. However you find the constellation, this will be the toughest we have covered so far and definitely rewarding. The really interesting part of Hercules is not the constellation itself, but what just happens to be in the same area of the sky. After locating the keystone, you'll want to find the longest side of the shape. Nearly in the middle of that side, but a little closer to the other large end, lies the finest globular cluster in the sky. Visible with a pair of binoculars and even under very low light pollution with just your eyes, the Hercules Cluster, or Messier 13 as it is known, is a fuzzy spot that is home to hundreds of thousands of stars tightly gravitationally bound to one another. It often looks like a swarm of bugs around a light. This is by far my favorite object to view through a telescope. Since we are in the region of the sky, I also want to bring up another challenging but enjoyable group of stars in the sky to locate. Found between Boötes and Hercules is a small circlet of dim stars. This grouping is known as Corona Borealis, or the Northern Crown. Once you see this constellation, you will come back to its distinct shape time and time again. Thanks for watching this week's episode. These videos are designed to help you identify and see what's up at night. Please feel free to follow along with the real sky, or if that's not an option, you can download an application similar to the one we used to make this video. I can recommend Stellarium as a great place to start. Stellarium is a free software that's available for both computers and mobile devices. So whether using a laptop, tablet, or a cell phone, you can still follow along. Look for a link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways of learning your backyard sky. Until next Friday, UTA Planetarium wishes you clear skies.